This is another easy and quick dinner using leftover chicken. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a delicious one-pot chicken fajita pasta. Stay tuned. I'm always looking for recipes that I can use leftover chicken. We went to Sam's the other day, and I can hardly pass up their rotisserie chicken for the price. I have the breast meat left over, and I thought I would show you how I make my chicken fajita pasta. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in some oil, diced onions, and bell peppers, and I have a combo of green and red. I'm adding in some salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. This is a good tablespoon of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another minute. Now I'm adding in the spices. I have some chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and some oregano. Giving that a stir for about 30 seconds so the spices will start to release their wonderful flavors. You just want to get them stirred around and be careful not to burn. Here is a can of tomatoes with green chilies and giving that a stir to combine. I have 3 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of milk, and this will help make the chicken fajita pasta nice and creamy. Giving this a good stir, and I'm turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this chicken fajita pasta dinner below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe. I upload at least 2 video recipes per week, and I always enjoy seeing new faces in my kitchen. You can use any type of pasta that you like. Tonight I'm using this corkscrew type pasta, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name. I have 4 cups and I'm stirring to combine. Bringing this up to a simmer, covering, and cooking for about 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Give it a stir about halfway through to make sure there is no sticking. You can add more broth or milk if needed. You want a little bit of sauce. Also remember to give it a taste for any more seasonings. And we are almost done. I'm adding in the chicken, and we can't forget the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese tonight. You can also use Colby or even some pepper jack cheese for a little bite. Giving that a good stir and cooking until the cheese melts and the chicken is heated through. And that's it. It's dinner time. This one-pot chicken fajita pasta meal took less than 30 minutes to make. It is so quick and easy. Great for those busy weeknights, and I'm sure your kids and family will love it. I love the Mexican fajita seasonings and that creamy cheesy sauce. Hope you give this chicken fajita pasta dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!